Yeah, this week USD CAD technical analysis. So this is 4-hour time frame. So it is forming regular flat. These flats and all I can prepare one small video. So if I take the Fibonacci from here to here, okay, this is one, and if I go to, it's coming, maybe coming from little bit correction here, it will move up. So this is forming, oh sorry, regular flat like this. So regular flat. Okay. Any small correction, it will go up. Okay, thank you.